That is what causes the fades, not washing them, not just wearing them once a week. We have the Wrangler 13 MWZ in this box from Shepler's, established 1899. Let's get this thing open. Oh yeah, look at that. The Wrangler 13 MWZ. So what I'm going to do with these as well is I'm going to cut the patch off of these brand new ones. I'm going to keep these ones on right here, and on the new ones I'm going to cut that off along with the arcuates. Oh, look at that. Thank you for shopping with us. Boot Barn's family of brands includes Shepler's and Country Outfitter. Our first Boot Barn store opened in 1978 and has since become the largest Western and workwear retailer in the nation. We say that our customers feed America, build America, and protect America, and we're proud to support the local communities we serve. Our vision at Boot Barn is simple: to offer everyone a piece of the American spirit, one handshake at a time. I like that. And then on the back of that, there's a $25 off a $75 purchase, which is pretty nice. I mean, you know, saving 25 bucks is never a bad thing. I mean, I only got these things for like $34. And then we had also the cash back for $9. Basically like $24 all in. The Wrangler 13 MWZ. I used to live in Arkansas, so they got this kind of country accent. Depends on where you're from, though. And check it out, I'm also wearing the ones that I bought last year. I made a video for these, very popular video in fact, and these are the same thing. These are the raw versions. Look how different that is. We're gonna compare these a little bit more thoroughly here in a second. You know, I kind of like how a lot of companies are starting to use just all paper and cardboard kind of packaging. Just like Kyrgyz, they use all sustainable kind of packaging and stuff like that, because you can just throw it right inside the recycling. How easy is that? Yep, made in Mexico, just like the ones that I am currently wearing. Wrangler 13 MWZ. Just look at these babies. Gosh darn, oh gosh darn. I'm excited because I just love this material, this broken twill, which ages very beautifully. It's now proven. I mean, it's been proven since like 1947, but I'm just, you know what I mean, by myself. Like, it's been proven by me to myself that it's very beautiful material. It ages very nicely. I love how it looks. A lot of people don't like the Wrangler blue, but I think it's great. There's a variety. I like variety, so I'm not saying it's the only thing I'd ever want, but I do like the Wrangler blue. It's very distinctive, and this broken twill is just quite amazing. Check out my YouTube short where I discuss and outline the difference between the different twills in jeans, and people have found that video very helpful. It's only like less than 3 minutes. It's one of the long YouTube shorts. Very verbose, I guess. I repeat myself a lot, but that's what happens in videos and such when you're trying to teach, because nobody learns off the first time, you know? Gosh darn. Maybe I should just do my whole channel with a country accent. And just look at the difference. We're in just normal kind of a room lighting as well, so you can kind of see how the left one has aged after just about a year, and the right one here is brand new. I'm going to cut this off, as well as the W arcuates, which all it takes is using a seam ripper. These things are super cheap. And that's really all that came off it, not too much. Very little fluff. And you can see a little bit of the outlines, but that will start to fade and go away pretty quickly, especially the arcuate parts. This part is going to be a little bit longer, but it doesn't really matter. It's, you can't really tell even if you go a little bit of a distance here, it's kind of hard to see. And just, I mean, look at those. Look at those beauty. Oh my God. Gosh darn, girl, you're looking real tasty there. Your little booty there. The Wrangler 13 MWZ is a little bit wider when they're brand new, of course, because they do shrink. The other colors will not shrink other than these rigids. I've tried with the shadow blacks, and when it came to that, I measured precisely and there was 0% shrinkage. So don't try to shrink the other colors, but if you do want to shrink the rigid indigo raw ones, you absolutely can. And they will shrink approximately 5%. If you've noticed, my other pair, my more worn pair, they look a little bit slimmer in the thigh, and I think they actually look better because of that. After they wear in, they start to contract. They look better because they conform to your body. They shape to the shape of your legs. You can kind of see my thighs poke through here from time to time, especially if I'm like crouching or something, right? And that really helps bring out the contrasting fades from jeans, is like that pressure. A lot of people don't seem to realize that wearing your jeans with a lot of pressure, sweating through them, that is what causes the fades. Not washing them, not just wearing them once a week and then washing them again. That's not going to do it.